Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make email slicer with separate username and domain name from the given email addresses. So let's get started. Main.py. So at first let's create a function. Okay, and take the email from the user. So input and enter your email. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's make this character capital. So let's see. Okay, let's run it. How it is printed. So it is good. So okay, I want this space. So here it is. So the next thing is to get the username. To get username from the given email address, just simply type email and okay, I will explain this just a moment. Okay, I'm sorry. Suppose this is my email address. So before the @ our refer is usernames, after the @ our refer is a domain name. So if I want all the characters before the @ so I do the same here. I take all the characters before the @ okay, I hope you guys understand this. So let me comment out this. So next things, I want domain name. Okay, email. So and email index, and after the @ all the character. Okay, here if I don't this, it give the domain name with @ so to remove the @ from the domain name, just simply is some1 here. Okay, and these characters are printed. So let's print them and see. Okay, your username, I'm sorry, username is username. Okay, and your, sorry, yeah, for that, your domain name is curly braces and domain name. Okay, I think, okay, let me remove this. So everything seems good. So let's run it and see what syntax error. Okay, I'm really sorry, I forget this. Oh, I haven't noticed this. Okay, @gmail.com. So enter. Okay, username, domain name. So let's run it again and see. So okay, you can see your username is ... and your domain name is gmail.com. So it's perfectly working now. Let me run it again. So okay, gmail.com. So okay, it is again printing me username and domain name. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, again, thank you so much.